Good morning, Cheetahs. Welcome to the South Greenville Cheetah Spot. This is Mrs. Tedder with your morning announcements. Today is Thursday, October 15th, 2015. Again, today is Thursday, October 15th, 2015. Today makes our 38th day in school. We have been in school for 38 days. Remember when you're writing these double-digit numbers, or number words, that you put a hyphen between 30 and 8. Please stand while we say the Pledge of Allegiance. Place your right hand over your heart and recite the pledge with me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thanks, Cheetahs. You may be seated. After you've made it to your seat, we're going to pause for a moment of silence. All right, teachers, now it's time for a uniform check. Boys' shirts need to be tucked in at all times. Shirt colors are white, navy blue, black, gold, or yellow. Pants, shorts, and skirts should be khaki, black, or navy blue. Shoes should be tied at all times. No coats or hoodies are allowed in the building unless you have a uniform-approved sweater or jacket, which has no hoodie and no logo. At this time, we're going to review our South Greenville Elementary expectations for PBIS. Number 1, repeat after me. I will be prepared. Number 2, I will always be respectful. Number 3, I will work hard. And number 4, I will be safe. Remember, these are our pause expectations, and you are expected to meet these daily. The Character Ed word of the month for October is kindness. Remember that October is National Bullying Prevention Month. Let's all be kind to one another starting today. If you see a bully, tell an adult. If you are a bully, think about how you are treating others and choose to be kind. If you've been bullied, remember the bully was the problem, not you. Repeat after me. Be cool in our school. It's bully free. And so are we. Today's example shows you again how to identify something you're talking about using commas. Remember, we're not sentence diagramming for this week. We're taking a break and talking about commas. So, my dog, comma, Luke, comma, is a lazy dog. Okay, there's a few things wrong with this sentence that I want you to help me with. First of all, do I need to capitalize lazy? No. And the word lazy is spelled with a Z, not an S. Alright, so now let's get back to it. My dog, Luke, is a lazy dog. So I did a pause for my 2 commas. Let's try that again. My dog, Luke, is a lazy dog. And you want to hear something funny? Every time I read his name in this sentence, he turns and looks at me like I'm crazy. Isn't that funny? So, in our sentence, Luke is telling me that he is the dog. So my dog, Luke, is a lazy dog. So in this sentence, the commas help me identify who the dog is. Today's Cheetah Spotlight is Miss Smith. She's another one of the awesome 2nd grade team. When you see Miss Smith in the hallway, give her a silent finger cheetah wave. Thanks, Miss Smith. This portion of our morning announcements are brought to you by Mrs. Richardson in the Media Center. Remember that checkout is 2 people at a time, and not just for one book. Make sure that you are checking out more than one of your books. Read them first and take your AR test, and then come see Miss Richardson for checkout. Just a reminder that all iPad issues should be announced to Mrs. Tedder. Please email them if you are a teacher. Students, please notify your teacher of any problems, and they will contact Mrs. Tedder. Open checkout this week is Monday, 7:30 to 11:20 and 1:35 to 2:20. Tuesday, 7:30 to 12:20 because we have an early release day. Wednesday, 7:30 to 9:20, 10 to 11:20, and 1:35 to 2:20. Thursday, 7:30 to 10, 10:50 to 11:20, 1:35 to 2:20. Friday, 7:30 to 11, and 1:35 to 2:20. Just a few uniform reminders. I've noticed a lot of people not following the uniform policy when I see them in the hallways or when they come to my class. Remember that you should not be wearing any type of hoodies. Any type of coat that has a hood is considered a hoodie and should not be worn at school after you've come into the building. Also remember that any coats that you do wear in the building have to have no hood and should be solid black, white, navy blue, gold, or yellow with no logos. Also a reminder that boys should always tuck in their shirts. Your shoes must be tied at all times, and you must have on the right uniform colors. These colors are reviewed every morning in the morning announcements, so you have no excuse to not get it right. You guys have to take responsibility, which was our word for last month, and make sure that you are doing the right thing with your uniforms.